The truth is, sometimes I miss you so much I can hardly stand it. I guess I had a bone to lighten flat. See the folks for a day or two.
There's something I've been meaning to tell you, bud. Well, it's likely November before I can come out here again. After we ship stock and before winter feeding starts again.
November. Well, what in the hell ever happened to August? Christ, you know, you got a fucking week to say some other word about this. Why is it we're always freaking cold? We ought to go south where it's warm. You know, we ought to go to Mexico.
Mexico? Hell, Jack, you know me, about all the traveling I ever done is around a coffee pot looking for the handle. Come on, Jack, lighten up on me. We can hunt in November, kill us a nice elk. I'll try if I can get Don Rose cabin again. We had a good time that year, didn't we?
There's never enough time, never enough. You know, friend, this is a goddamn bitch of an unsatisfactory situation. It used to come away easy, and now it's like seeing the Pope.
Jack, I gotta work. Huh? In them earlier days, I just quit the job. And you forget what it's like being broke all the time. You ever hear of child support? And I'll tell you this, I can't quit this one. And I can't get the time off. It's hard enough getting this time. The trade-off is August. You got a better idea?
I did once.
You did once. Have you been to Mexico, Jack Twist? Huh? Because I hear what they got in Mexico for boys like you.
Hell yes, I've been to Mexico. Is that a fucking problem?
I'm gonna tell you this one time, Jack fucking Twist. And I ain't fooling. But I don't know. All them things that I don't know could get you killed if I come to know them. I ain't joking.
Yeah, we'll try this one. And I'll say it just once.
Go ahead.
Tell you what, we could have had a good life together. Fucking real good life. Had us a place of our own. But you didn't want it, Ennis. So what we got now is Brokeback Mountain. Everything's built on that. That's all we got, boy. Fucking all. So I hope you know that if you don't never know the rest. You count the damn few times that we have been together in nearly 20 years, and you measure the short fucking leash you keep me on, and then you ask me about Mexico, and you tell me you kill me for needing something I don't hardly never get. You have no idea how bad it gets. I'm not you. I can't make it on a couple of high-altitude bucks once or twice a year.